Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook photo quality. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. How to fix blurry photographs on Facebook is a common topic of conversation. You might have noticed that whenever you try to upload a picture to Facebook, it becomes blurry and the quality does not match what they look like. So, in that case, here are some fixes you could try out. The first thing to do is to make sure that you have downloaded the latest version of Facebook. To check that, go to a Play Store. In the search box, type in Facebook. If you see an update button right next to the app, you should tap on that button and download the latest version of Facebook app. Once you have the latest version, go and see if that solves your problem. If that still does not, the next thing to do is to clear out your cache data from Facebook app. Tap on the settings button from your Android and from the settings menu, scroll down to find the apps option. Give it a tap and search for Facebook from the list of the apps displayed. Once you tap on Facebook, this will open up your app info page. Tap on the storage button and tap on clear cache at the bottom right hand corner. You can also tap on clear data at the bottom left and delete all of the application's data, including files, settings, accounts, and databases. But remember that you must know your Facebook account's credentials to log in back to your account, since it'll be wiping all of its data. Tap on OK, launch Open Facebook application and log into your account and see if that fixes your issue. If that still does not, the next thing to do is to simply delete your Facebook application from the system and then re-download it back again, log into your account, and see if that fixes your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever your Facebook photo quality is bad and you'd like a quick fix for that. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with some more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.